दत्तात्रेय समारंभां नरसिंहादिक मध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्य पर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरु परम्पराम्. This is Datta Yogi Raja from Canada, sending blessings and greetings and congratulations to all the organizers of the S3 Foundation who are organizing Laksha Chandi Mahayajnam in Memphis, Tennessee during the Navaratri time, which is a very blessed time. And I want to, in 2 minutes or less, show you the power of these chantings in the eradication of coronavirus from the whole world. Every small effort is a big step in this direction. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Chetane Tabidiyate Namastasyai 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 Namo Namah. This is a verse from Devi Mahatmyam in the Chandi part. It talks about Chetane Tabidiyate, that we can, every one of us with these chantings can have a direct experience of the primordial life force or the Shakti that holds all the cells and molecules of the body in place. This life force is endowed with intrinsic intelligence. Its vibration animates all creation, all forms of energy and matter emerge from it. And because this Shakti vibrates in all aspects of creation, there is a perfect synchronicity among all forms of life. So, by us unveiling the mystery of this life force, the practitioners will be able to understand the relationship between different parts of the body, between the body and the mind, between humans, plants, and the animals, and ultimately between the microcosm and the macrocosm. Our scientists of the inner world, they developed a different method of communicating their knowledge through yantras and diagrams and homas. Just like modern scientists have developed equations like E equals mc square to communicate their knowledge, our rishis have developed equations to communicate theirs. So those yantras and mantras are equations expressed in the language of geometry. And all those are, even though they look complex, they contain within these seed letters which are used all of these forces in a condensed form. So this worship will ultimately lead everyone to Sri Vidya, the auspicious wisdom and knowledge of Sri Chakra, which is our very body itself. Deho Devalaya Prokto Jivo Deva Sanatana. Let all the practitioners ultimately be gained with that ultimate knowledge of Sri Chakra worship as well. And with that blessing, I wish this function a great success. Jaya Guru Datta, Sri Guru Datta.